Welcome to my channel. Subscribe to learn English faster.
In life, the actions we take often come back to us. This is beautifully captured by the idiom, "What goes around, comes around." It reminds us to be mindful of our actions and their potential consequences. Opportunities are always around the corner. When one door closes, another one opens. This idiom encourages us to stay hopeful and look for new possibilities even when faced with setbacks. Mastery comes with practice. The idiom, "Practice makes perfect," emphasizes the importance of consistent effort and dedication in achieving excellence. Every rumor has a basis in truth. "There's no smoke without fire" suggests that if something seems suspicious, there is likely a reason behind it. Appearances can be deceiving. "All that glitters is not gold" warns us that not everything that looks valuable or true turns out to be so. It's better to do something late than not at all. "Better late than sorry" encourages us to take action, even if it's delayed, rather than regret not doing it at all. Diversify to minimize risk. "Don't put all your eggs in one basket" advises us to spread our resources or efforts to avoid losing everything at once.